My cancer metastasized 15 years after my original diagnosis. What does it do between your original diagnosis and then when it decides to show itself 15 years later? Is it just sitting there, and what would reactivate it?
Yeah, there's a lot of theories around that, and no one can say that for certain. Why does the cancer, they obviously have been there all that time, but sitting dormant, and what makes them at one point then activate? There's a more recent theory about the immune system role in it, and basically that equilibrium that because immune system is considered to sort of watch and surveil for any cancer cells or cancer cells in the body, and destroy if it identifies them. But at the same time, cancer cells are thinking of different ways to avoid and hide from it, and there's probably some sort of equilibrium where where the immune system can prevent cancer from growing and progressing, but it cannot completely eradicate it, and that balance switches for some reason, and then the cancer at some point will move to the next stage, which is sort of escape phase, where it can then start growing and sort of becoming more apparent. But yeah, it's a topic of a lot of research, and certainly it's one of the million-dollar questions, and why does that happen? And that's another reason why, you know, we sort of very cautious about talking about a cure, because those cells we can't identify, and we never know whether they're there or not.